Hello everyone, welcome to our anime nail art tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through creating both festive Christmas nail design and other stunning anime inspired nail art using a combination for four striking colors: red and white, black and white. Whether you are a seasoned nail art enthusiast or just getting started, follow along for step-by-step instruction to achieve this eye-catching design that will make sure your nails stand out. Get ready to unleash your creativity. To start, we will work on this vibrant red and white nail design. Begin by applying a base coat to protect your nails. Next, apply a vibrant red polish as the base color. Make sure it's fully dried before moving on. Now, using a thin nail art brush or toothpick, carefully create intricate white pattern inspired by your favorite anime characters or motifs. Take your time and let your creativity. For our black and white design, start with a clear base coat and then apply a sleek black polish as the base color. Once that's dry, it's time to add some striking white details. Using your nail art palette, draw bold and captivating white design, showcasing the contrast between black and white, a classic element in anime aesthetics. And there you have it, two incredible anime inspired nail designs using the power of color contrast. These nails are not only perfect for Christmas but also great for showcasing your love for anime style. Thank you for joining us in the Animalnate or tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more nail art inspiration. Feel free to your share creation with us in the comments below. Until next time, keep those nails looking fabulous. Bye for now.